Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. Today's guide video is based on how to clear or delete recent played on Spotify application. Now before we begin, make sure that you're well connected with your internet service. Now in this video, I will show you an easy method on how you can clear recent played on Spotify application. So make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So first of all, you have to open your Spotify application. So here the interface looks something like this. Now in this following page, what you have to do is just simply tap on the gear icon, which is right on top on the upper right corner. So on the other page, you will land inside the info about the settings. Now on this page, what you have to do is you have to scroll down. So in between, you'll find an option called social, and under social there you can see there are two different options. Now right on top there you have private session. So what you have to do is you have to simply turn it on. Now after you turn it on, what happens next is that all the recent played will be deleted or cleared automatically. Now this is one of the methods, so I will show you another method. So what you have to do next is you simply have to go back to your home screen and then tap on your phone settings. So as you tap on the phone settings, on the other page you have to tap on apps and notification. So next on the other page there you have recent apps, so you have to tap on Spotify from here. So on the next page there is app info, so from here you have to tap on storage. And the next process, all you have to do is just simply tap on clear cache, which is right at the bottom. And once you do that, all your recent played will be deleted or cleared on Spotify application. Now these were the simplest and easiest method on how you can clear or delete recent played on Spotify application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.